guys, so we made it to our hotel and I just want to take a few minutes to show you the room, but first let me show you the view outside our door. So we have a view of the lazy river. I'll show you my room. Alright, so as you enter, there's a closet area here, and there are actually two of these, so it's like a his and hers, one for him, one for her. Lighting tucks. Alright, very spacious. Here we have a little area with coffee and tea items. We have our mini bar. We have a safe and a storage area at the bottom. And there's another closet over here. So now I'm going to show you the bathroom, which is right here. So come in. We have the shower area. And this is also a his and hers shower, so two people can shower at once. And we have a double sink, which I love. Privileged amenities, and this is the junior suite privilege. And here you have the toilet area. All right. So a little luggage area there, a TV. So here we have the bed, and we have our bathrobes, we have bed slippers, we have towels. Then we have a little sitting area. We got a complimentary bottle of wine. We have a little study area here, which I will be using as my office for the rest of the week. And we also have a nice balcony. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So we have a little sitting area here. We have a jacuzzi. But guys, look at this view. Look at this view.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean, filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.